way, this is something that caused an awful lot of excitement. Because along with this, too, it turns out the kinetic energy of these particles, these, all flying apart, is awesome. The energy it takes to light up New York City, comes about as a result of water pouring over Niagara Falls. And every water drop has an energy of about this much. 4 electron volts. Electron volt's a tiny unit of energy. It's a microscopic unit of energy, yeah? But 4 electron volts per water drop. TNT, you get about 30 electron volts. A high-octane gasoline, about 30 electron volts per molecule of combustion, yeah? 1 atom, U-235, fissions, you get about 200 million electron volts of energy. Awesome, awesome. An awful lot of energy for 1 atom. And that kind of changed the world. And so we now talk about the atomic age, or more properly, the nuclear age, because we're talking about an awful lot of energy for just a little bit of matter. It turns out the most common isotope of uranium is uranium, let me try that over here, uranium-238. And when 238 catches a neutron, what it does is it turns to U-239. U-238 emits alpha particles, but 239 emits beta particles. And guess what the 239 does, gang? It turns into an element beyond uranium. We talked last time about decaying up the periodic table. What's going to be the atomic number of the element that this will decay into? What number plus a -1 going to be 92? 93. Lee. Okay. Anyone else besides Lee? How many people said 93? No. All right. Okay. You guys are just being a little reticent, right? Okay. It's going to be 93. And that 93 is a brand new element. It's beyond uranium, called transuranic. And that's neptunium. You know why they call it neptunium? You know what the first planet was they discovered in terms of Newton's laws? Neptune, gang. Neptune. So they call this neptunium, the first element beyond uranium. And that's neptunium-239. It's got a very, very short half-life. And you know what it does? It decays. And guess what it emits? It begins with a B. No, not alpha. Try it again. Okay. It emits a beta particle. And what does it turn into? How many people can figure out what the number is here that couldn't do it before? Maybe now can. Show of hands. 4 people. Wonderful. Wonderful. Come on. Now, how many? What is it going to be, gang?